friends, wish you all a very happy Pongal. Pongal is a festival of harvest which is celebrated all over India, and Pongal is also called as Makar Sankranti. Today it's Pongal special, so that I'm going to make traditional sweet Pongal for you. I am also in traditional attire to celebrate the occasion. Here are the ingredients: roasted nuts, cup of milk, a glass of water, jaggery and flattened rice. Light on the stove. Oh, I don't know why. And keep the clay pot on it. It's a little tough to keep it because it's clay pot. Pour the water into clay pot and allow it to boil. Please don't drop, or else I'm going to kill you all. It's a little messy because I don't know how to pour the fall. Now add the soaked flattened rice and allow to cook. Okay, let's take a big piece out. Oh no. If this was your spoon, it would be nice, but this is it's my favorite, so that I will mix well. It's a little tough because it's a small. Now add the milk. My mom teaching me how to pour the milk so that I didn't do messy. Thank you so much, Mom, for teaching me. Now let's mix it a little. And this is my favorite, so that I'm so happy. But we need a lot more patience to do this. Now the milk is going to overflow. Let's chorus together. Finally, it's going to overflow. Yes, come on. Pongal, oh Pongal!
Pongal, oh
Pongal! Pongal, oh Pongal! Overflowing is the symbol of happiness in Pongal festival. Add the jaggery into the Pongal and mix it well. I'm literally taking it in my hand because it's not coming. Wow, I'm enjoying this. Now let's mix it well. Oh, my mom has changed the... You have to mix it well because then only you can see the color is coming. Cook until it thickens. I'm keeping this thing for support because if this clay pot falls, all the effort will be gone. Now add a little bit of ghee and nuts. I don't know how fun this stick. Let's take the last 2 nuts. Keep it 1 hour here. And now let's mix it well. Now the pongal is ready. I'm going to serve now. Wow, what a thick consistency. First step, second, now the delicious pongal is ready. Friends, try this recipe and drop your comments below. Thanks for watching.